B2 kick. The key is kind of to get the resonance high without that, and then you can soften the attack. And you can sort of dial it. That's nice. So tuning is at middle position, 12 o'clock. The subdial's all the way clockwise. The other one's also all the way clockwise with a super saw, or saw, sorry. Bend is at about 11:30, somewhere there. Bend to mount is at about 9 o'clock. Decay is at full counterclockwise. Middle position. Oh, middle or left position. Oh, that's happening. Middle position has more. Oh. Yeah, so your decay brings in that 808 kind of rumbly thing, which if you get it right, which I have, it sounds great. Bend is on maximum. The bend envelope filter is maximum. Cut-offs at about, must be 10 o'clock. And resonance, as I said, you want it just a little bit off the squeal.